What's up, VIPs? I'm Eric, this is David, we're at Window Tints, and behind me is Project Moose Power, a 2006 Volvo S60 R all-wheel drive 5-cylinder turbo. This is our YouTube giveaway car. We're going to be giving away to one of our subscribers, so if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow along with the build and be entered to win this car. So let's take a look at the outside of Project Moose Power. As you can see, the paint's in pretty good shape. The body's in great shape. There's no dents, dings, or anything like that. You know, there are some areas on the paint where the paint's actually gone. You can see where we polished it compared to where we didn't polish it, and the difference there in the paint.
There's definitely a lot more oxidation on this side. Took a lot of the oxidation out by clay barring it and trying to rejuvenate it. It's definitely not going to come back. No. So
I think the better option's if we clean it up and then wrap the whole car. What do you think?
Wrapping's a great idea.
Do you have a color in mind?
I mean, that psychedelic's always a good choice to go with.
I want to go with a printed wrap, some sort of design. What do you guys think? What color do you want us to wrap this Volvo?
So good in the Corvette. All right. So obviously the seats are pretty rough here. This one doesn't even go backwards. So we're pretty crammed in here. But we're gonna either do the racing seats or original Volvo seats. Not too sure yet, but from the looks of it, we might go racing seats. Found the original sticker of the car, $49,235 from Winter Park. 2006 Volvo S60 R Edition, all-wheel drive. All right, we're in the back seat of the Volvo, and it's pretty comfortable seats. We have a couple options. We can either take the seats out, or we can take the seats out and put a roll cage in, or we can leave them as is and just clean them up. What's your guys' opinions? Let us know with comments below of whether remove the seats, put a roll cage, or clean them up and leave them in here. So we're checking out the engine. 2.5 liter inline 5 turbo, 300 horsepower. We're not sure what kind of mods or what to do with it. We know it's got an oil leak somewhere, so we're gonna bring it over next door to Alo's Auto Care and get it checked out.
See what we can do to make it faster as well, right?
Definitely gonna check on some performance parts.
Cool.
We're over here at Alo's Auto Care with Adrian. He's a master technician who has worked on this car before. Adrian, tell us some things about this car.
Right, this car used to belong to a friend of mine. It's well known around the SCCA racing circuit throughout Florida. I've been personally working on this car since 2010. The guy originally dropped it off for me. He was having a few little difficulties, but we're here to take care of him. We are aware of the oil leaks, which I believe you saw in your shop.
Oh, definitely, yes.
The coolant level. We definitely know that we got camshaft oil seals are leaking over there. If I just pull this cover up, I'll show you. Camshaft oil seals are up inside here, hence you can see a lot of oil spraying around. You get a close up in there, you can see the oil's been spraying around. You know, we are aware of that. Obviously it's on the timing belt, so timing belt, water pump's going to get done. Quite possibly the water pump is leaking, hence why we've got the low coolant message. Obviously we've got various tests we can do to perform on this, like coolant pressure system tests, just in case there's anything else leaking, like a hose or anything. Purely because I know Darren did some maintenance on it. Wasn't looked after the best, but we got a few issues. Nothing that's any bigger than any heavy maintenance items. Other than that though, the car's a great car. I mean, we all know the S60R. It's the performance version, the same engine as in the Focus RS. It's a fantastic car, really. It's a great car to start your project, guys.
Beautiful. Guys, again, this is the project car that we are giving away, so make sure you subscribe. Adrian, let's put this thing up on a lift and check underneath.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic.
Now that we got the car on the lift, what do you think about some performance upgrades?
Oh, easily. It's a turbocharged car. Simple ways. Start with a free flowing exhaust system, either from the turbo back, you know, absolutely free. They don't make more power. tiny little front mounted intercooler. Change that to a much bigger, larger intercooler and associated piping, cold air intake. You should be good. You got great power out of this, you know, for a street car.
How much horsepower roughly do you think that'll get us?
You'll probably get to about 370 horsepower, something like that, obviously with a tune on the dyno like you intended on.
We need more power. What about nitrous?
Nitrous, yeah, it's up to you guys. I mean,
What do you
how
guys
far do you
think?
wanna go?
What do you guys think? Should we do nitrous, or should we just stick with the exhaust and the intercooler? Subscribe below.
How about let them make suggestions, see
Man,
what they think, you know?
That's what we'll do. We're gonna leave the car with Adrian.
Right, we'll take care of it for you.
He's gonna take care of it from here. Leave some comments below on what you think we should do with the performance of the vehicle.